Welcome back. Now in this video, we are going to go into the domain section and we're going to click on Site Publisher. We open up the Site Publisher. You'll notice that it is for us to be able to create a quick website while we are developing our site. And so you'll notice that the domain is already selected. What we would do is select a specific template, and you'll see templates here where you can use About Me, Business, Personal, and some other pages that will allow you to place something on your site while you are working to go live. Now what you'll want to be aware of is that this site will overwrite anything that you already have in this directory. So if you click Publish, if you have something that's already there, this will be overwritten. So you want to be careful about whether or not you're going to use Site Publisher. Again, what you're using this for is to be a placeholder while you are building your site. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.